Hello students, I am Sasibhushan Misra. Today I am available with a challenge. This is the challenge, the GUIRONS. Whatever you read it, it depends on you. The challenge made by this is the name of a channel. One of my viewer has named his channel this. So this problem is devoted to the viewer, that viewer. He requested me, वो मुझसे रिक्वेस्ट किए हैं कि सर आप इस प्रॉब्लम को बना दीजिए. द प्रॉब्लम इज रियली अ प्रॉब्लम. सरप्राइज्ड. दिस इज वर्ड प्रॉब्लम ऑफ अलजेब्रा. neither edge problem nor 2 or 3 digit problems. This is the combination of both 2 digit problems, edge problems, or 3 digit problem. Combination of both. The problem is if the age of a girl is reversed case appeared in 2 digit or 3 digit word problems in algebra. So if the age of a girl is reversed, the figure represents her brother's age. Just see, if the brother is 10x plus y, and when you will reverse, the age of girl will come. This is the girl's reverse case. If the digits are reversed, 10x plus y becomes 10y plus x. So this is the problem. And after that, the brother is senior to her. Brother is senior to her means this is more than this. This is greater than this. Brother is senior to this. Now, important thing, the sum of their ages. Just see the sum of their ages. This is called sum of their ages. The sum of their ages. And again, the difference of their ages. The difference between their ages. The difference between their ages is this minus this. This plus this plus this, and this minus this, and one more difference is 28. So this is the remarkable sentence. Remember it. One more difference is 28. Just see, this difference means difference of the whole. This and this is 28. Now simplify it. This is the given equation. You have to find out the age of girl and his brother. So just see, the problem is associated with age problem as well as 2 or 3 digits number problem. So brother 10x plus y, girls 10y plus x, since the reverse case is there. And after that, the sum of the ages, this plus this, difference of ages is this minus this, and again the difference is 28. So this and this, the difference is 28. Now solve this. This is 10x plus y plus 10y plus x. On breaking the bracket, again minus 10y minus x. Now simplify this. This is 11x plus 11y. Just see, 11x, 11y. Again, this is 9x and 9y. So we are getting this. Again, on breaking the bracket, we get this. The minus becomes plus. After that, this we got. After that, cancel it by 2 to write in simplest form. One equation we are getting. One equation, 2 variables. Infinite solution. Students, if one equation is given and 2 variables are there, we have got infinite solution. Never forget this algebraic theory. Algebra never fails. So now start. X is equal to this brought to right side. Now if x depends on y, x depending on y, so select y. If y is 0, x will be 14 minus 0 is 14. If y is equal to 1, the next 1. The next will be 4. And if you are taking y is equal to 2x is equal to minus 6, impossible onward. Onward, the negative value will come and all the values will be rejected. Now the 2 solutions are there. If first solution is this, x4 and y1. If x4 and y1, the brother will be 10x plus y, 41, and the girl will be 10y plus x, 14. So just see the reverse case, 41 and the reverse is 14. So one of the answer is this, brother is this, girl is this. So that this answer is okay. Now starting the second, if y is equal to 0, x is equal to 14, x 14, y 0, then the brother is 10x plus y, 140 years. Girl is 10y plus x, this is 14 years. Now the brother is 140 years and the girl is 14 years. Taking this as a unit, when reversed, we get 014 years. So everything is maintained, but usually the ages are not more than 100. Ages are not more than 100, so you may reject this case. This case, since age is not more than 100 years generally. Generally, maybe more than 100, then this will be the answer. So double answers we are getting, and in terms of fraction we have got infinite solution, but the ages are not in terms of fraction generally. So students, the problem is fully solved. Now you can watch my 3 videos already posted earlier. The first video on this kind, algebra. Algebra is the backbone of mathematics. Algebraic equation. First is algebraic equation, a challenge. Second video is unsolvable problem, word problems. Unsolvable problems of the world. And the third is challenging algebraic equation. Challenging algebraic equation. The students, these three videos already posted on YouTube. You can search yourself. If you know all these 3, then your algebra will be strong, and algebra is the such a tool which never fails. You will be answering the questions successfully. The word problems will be answered. So I am happy to answer the question of one of my viewer. I am thankful to my viewer, but remember that I am not in position to do the problems of this kind. Usually I am doing for class 11 students, and sometimes I am doing videos, making videos for the fastest mathematics, or sometimes the mathematical story. So keep on watching and subscribing my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.